Well, we've got an upcoming train show.
Oh, yes.
This is a fun one. Well, they're all fun.
They're all fun, but this one's really neat.
This is an NMRA show. The NMRA does a couple of shows in the Salt Lake City area every year. And this one is just train layouts. These are pizza box layouts.
Those are fun.
And then there's modular groups here, and they'll be setting up their modulars. Modulars? they're modulars. And no dealers at this one. No. This is just strictly model railroads. But one of the fun aspects of some of the local area train shows is where they're held.
Oh, absolutely.
The Ogden Train Show takes place in the Ogden Union Depot. The Evanston, Wyoming Train Show takes place in the Union Pacific Roundhouse in Evanston, and that is amazing. And this train show takes place in the Stadler Assembly Plant.
Right, this is just fascinating in here.
And then the whole facility's open. You can come in here. They make interurban train systems here.
They sure do.
And this is their U.S. assembly plant. They have assembly plants all over the world. It's a Swiss company.
Right.
And they make these high-speed electric interurban train systems. And boy, it's just fascinating to see how these things are built.
Right, as well as career opportunities.
Boy, it would be neat to work in a place like this.
Oh, if I were young again, I'd be at home in such a place. Absolutely.
I'd have a hard time picking out which of the jobs in here I'd most like to do.
Right.
This is where they're assembling the powered wheel trucks. They attach the motors to the wheel trucks and the axles. This is the electrical assembly area where they build these gigantic wiring harnesses that go from one end of the train to the other. And then, of course, they have to construct the whole superstructure here, the entire body of the train, the paint shop. Look at the electronics.
Oh, that's just astounding.
I just have the hardest time picking out which of these areas I'd most like to work in.
Right.
Last year, they had the electronics turned on in one of these trains so you could sit inside and run the controls.
Driver's ed.
Fortunately, they had the motors disconnected. And then there's the test track outside, and that whole area is also open so you can walk around. They're not testing any trains. Which is a good thing.
Right. They wouldn't let you out there if that were the case.
But you can come out here and see all of the trains that are awaiting delivery and the ones that are undergoing testing, and it's just fascinating.
Oh, no kidding.
The facility is located at the Salt Lake City Airport.
Right.
Well, just across the freeway.
Across the freeway, yeah. But in that industrial area
it's
there.
all part of the same thing. Real easy to find, real easy to get inside. Since they're closed on a Saturday, there's plenty of parking.
Right.
No, it's just, this is one of the funnest darn train shows. As we mentioned, they're making trains here that are delivered all over the United States. This one was headed to Dallas.
I hope not by track. Get back here.
Get back here. They also make a lot of the trains that run in Los Angeles. Oddly enough, none of the trains that run in Salt Lake City were made by them.
Well, that's interesting, but maybe that will change.
I hear there's a rumor.
There's a rumor, a little bird.
So if you're in the Salt Lake City area, or you can get to the Salt Lake City area.
Hey, the airport's right there and the freeway goes right past it.
This is on a Saturday. Like I say, the facility is closed down. It's June 8th.
Right.
And it's all day long. Starts at 8 in the morning, runs till 5 p.m. Mm-hmm. Easy to find. Take exit 113 off of Interstate 80 there by the airport and head toward 56th West. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe. It helps people find the channel, and it will help you find more videos similar to this one. So that's a win-win.
Oh, it is.
If you're not a subscriber, the easy way to subscribe is by clicking on the upcoming blue button. Zoink! Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring, and we will see you here on Sunday.
Right.
See ya.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.